This one says, write the linear equation for the function below. So what we need to do is remember how to write a linear equation. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to write what we have been writing. Okay, we write y equals a line for the slope, an x, and then a box to put in our y-intercept. Correct? So I'm going to look at this, and I know I'm going to have a y equals here. So I'm going to look for my y-intercept. So this is my y-axis, right? If I'm going up, I know it's positive. So what's my y-intercept here? It is plus 7. I'm going to go ahead and put my x there. Then I have to count my slope. Can you see what I'm doing? So I'm going to look, see how they give me 2 points? That means that's what they want me to count. So I'm going to count down. 1, 2, 3. So I know that's a -3 because I went down. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I went over 4. So that means my slope is -3 over 4. And this is the equation. Okay? So does everybody understand how I did that? Okay? If you don't, raise your hand and let me know. Everybody good? Yeah. All right, so let's look at the next one. And it says, write the linear equation for the function below. This one is a little different because it didn't give us points, so I'm going to show you how to find them. First of all, I'm going to look here at the y-axis, and I'm going to put a point where it crosses the y-axis. Then I'm going to come down until I find another one that's right in a corner. So there's a corner right there. So I'm going to come back over here, and I'm going to write y equals line x box for y-intercept. This, guys, is something that you need to practice. If you need to write that down on paper so you can practice it and remember it tonight, that's what you need to do. Because if you think you're going to remember it just because I'm doing it, that's not how it works. You've got to write it yourself. Okay? So I'm going to write down y equals, and I'm going to look for my y-intercept. It's above the 0, so that means it's a +2. If it was below the 0, it would be a negative. Now I'm going to put my x here, and I have to count my slope. So I'm going to start by going down, 1, 2, 3, so I know that's a -3, and I'm going over 1. Do I have to write that 1? No. So I'm just going to write -3x plus 2. That's how you would write that linear equation. Okay? So everybody's got that, and you'll have the videos to watch too.